How to create an online course on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply log into your Shopify account. After that, you will be able to find the option of apps on the left hand side panel. Just simply click on it, and this way it will ask you to search for any particular app. Now over here, you need to search for courses plus, and you won't be able to find any result. Just simply click on enter, and this way it will redirect you to a new window. Simply wait for it to load and let it load. After that, you will be able to find the option of courses plus in the results. Just simply open it up. It has got high ratings, so don't worry about it. Just install it. They also have a free plan available with them. All you have to do is just install this particular application on your Shopify store. After that, you just open this particular app up in your Shopify. Then go to my courses. Over there, you will be able to find the option of create course. Just simply click on it, and after that you need to provide details about your course, like your course name, the description, what is this particular course is about. And after adding all the details about your course, you will be able to create it. And this is how easy it is to create a course on Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.